Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Untethered for Life, a channel dedicated to living a life untethered. So thank you for joining me today. We'll be taking a walking tour in Zagreb, Croatia. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. We'll be checking out some historical buildings, grabbing some food, and cover a topic that I think is particularly important when traveling, and that's shoes. I hope you enjoy. Good morning. Picking up some breakfast at the apparently the best bakery in Zagreb. I just had a great piece of bread with ham and cheese on it. Now I'm eating this very weird thing. It's like eggs, honey, something else mushy in it. I'm gonna try to put it down because I'm hungry, but it's weird.
About exploring, we didn't even know it was the top of these stairs. Let's do it.
So we just met Lou. She is showing us around. She suggested a restaurant for us to check out, so here we go.
Oh, it has a bunch of flower vineyards. Yeah.
Gotta go get some food. Yay! Yes, that is gorgeous. Thank you for showing us that. Wow. Okay.
Corner?
So Lyra is showing us where to eat in Zagreb after a rough night of not finding anything to eat. What a coordinated blessing. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, so Lyra introduced us to Nocturno, apparently one of her favorite restaurants. We've eaten at some decent places so far, and I've had difficulty getting footage. So here we go. Nocturno. Well, check it out. See how it goes. Wow, look at that. Little bruschetta.
It's like, oh no, I didn't. I'll do it now.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the walking tour of Croatia. Some absolutely stunning architecture. Did learn that Croatia recently suffered an earthquake, and a good amount of the older structures here are being repaired. So did not get the opportunity to get as much footage as I would have liked because it was covered in scaffolding and cranes, etc. and so forth. But I do want to point something out. As I'm starting to learn how YouTube works and trying to live a life untethered, I realize your gear is really important. I'll be carrying a lot less stuff on me than I typically do. I'm just scaling way down. But the tools that I do have and the things that I do need are extremely important. And one of them are shoes. So I have this shoe here. It's a crazy shoe. As you can see, it is beat up, worn, dirty, scraggly. I've owned 4 pairs of these Skechers S Sport shoes. I don't even believe you can get them anymore, but I absolutely love them. I've hiked roughly 24 14ers in these shoes. I've been in I don't even know how many cities, walking the streets just like I did Zagreb, Croatia today, wearing these shoes. Now, because Skechers doesn't make them anymore, I'll likely have to find a different pair. But the reason that I bring this up, that's because it's not the shiniest shoe, it's not the most expensive shoe, but I do want to let you know that I'm going to share things that have worked for me and products that have really, truly, actually worked for me. And I hope that you'll get some value in that as my adventures abroad continue. So with that, if you've enjoyed the content, I would again super appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button and the little bell doohickey doodad. And I look forward to putting out some more content for you.